issue that we see today is people with posture issues. Whether you're looking down at your phone, you're working on your computer, you're driving, it's making you get this kyphotic, hunched forward posture. Your body thinks that you live like this. Your body thinks it should be like this. You should be back. And then everything has to compensate and work differently. You get tight upper traps, you get tight levator. You wind up not being able to look in your blind spot while you're driving. You can't breathe as deeply because you're not opened up. Your diaphragm gets tight. We want you to be back in the posture that you should be. So when you come in, we'll ask you some questions and try to figure out where the issue is, put you through some range of motion, see where we feel there might be some tension, do some stretches, maybe use the Theragun, maybe massage, and afterwards we might use rock tape, kinetic tape to keep you in that posture.